Hello, investors. Welcome to the channel where I use technical analysis to find possible swing trades. Before I get started, I have to make it clear I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes. Technical indicators like these are not accurate 100% of the time. Fundamentals of a company and macroeconomic factors can drive share price changes differently than what we might expect based on technical indicators. My goal here is just to bring these companies to your attention so you can decide for yourself whether or not they're good investments for you. Please, if you plan on investing, do your own due diligence before purchasing shares in any company or consult with a financial advisor. With that in mind, today we're looking at Chase Corp, ticker symbol CCF. This is a US-based chemical company with a market cap of $1.14 billion. Taking a look at the annual chart, you'll see it's had this amazing run up since last December. Very nice uptrend. And it really likes this 20-day moving average. At the moment, though, it seems to have gotten quite a bit detached from the 20-day, and we see a red candle posted. So if it follows this continuing pattern, it will pull back to about the 20-day, which should put it around 115 or so. So you could make a nice $5 a share or so. If we scroll down to the RSI, you'll see it's overbought and is turning down. Same with the stochastics, both overbought, turning down. The volume has quite a bit of green lately with increased volume, and the volume is decreasing, and we finally got a red bar. The MACD, of course, has peaked and appears to be declining. So one other thing I'll do here is I will zoom out to the 5-year, and you can see that all the previous highs for the last 5 years have hit between about 123 here up to 131. And in that zone, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 different points where it bounced off this zone here. So we're a few dollars below that zone, and it seems like it could do the same. Of course, I don't know the future. It could blow through those, but if there's going to be resistance, it seems logical that that resistance will appear in the zone between 123 and 131. Now, if we switch over to E-Trade, just so you can get a very brief overview of the fundamentals and understand what kind of company this is. Has very small short interest. The debt to equity ratio shows that it has less debt than 85% of its peers in the industry, which, by the way, the sector it's classified as electrical components and equipment. And the PE ratio, this is related to the price run up that I was looking at here. The PE ratio is greater than 93% of other companies in the industry, which is a bit rich in my opinion. But these other metrics are good. Gross margin greater than 96% of other companies. Operating margin better than 92% of its peers. And return on equity is average, and growth rate is average. Now the dividend is minuscule here. This is, I won't say it's as insulting as Apple, but it is 0.83%, less than 91% of other companies in the same industry. So all those things put together make me think that CCF should be set for a pullback sometime in the near future, though it could conceivably continue this very nice uptrend we've seen over the last several months. I'll shorten the annual, go back to the annual charts. You can see this here. This is a great channel. It's in here, a good channel, and I think that if it just pulled back here to the 115 and you decided to short it, you could take those profits and be happy. Or if you wait for it to pull back to 115, you could conceivably go long, but I wouldn't hold those shares past 125 or so, and then just wait to see what happens. So let me know what you think of all this in the comments below. And if you got something out of the video, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to help out the channel. If you like these brief overviews of companies that might be good swing trades, please leave a comment for the YouTube algorithm. And as I said, do all the things. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell. And of course, if you don't like it, then you can leave a negative comment. Also, that helps out the channel too. Or if you'd like me to take a look at a particular company using the indicators I presented here, just mention that in the comment section and I'll try to get to it as soon as I can. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Good luck with all your investments.